One of the simplest ways to generate money online is about to be revealed to you. Right now, I'm going to show you a website where you can work for 2 minutes and get paid $15. The catch is that if you don't view the entire video, nothing bad will happen to you. So make sure to adhere to all the instructions in this video if you're serious about earning money online. This is accessible anywhere for no cost at all. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. I kindly ask you to visit the G2.com website. There are many different categories of software on this website. All of this software is being rated by users, and you can get paid regularly by posting straightforward ratings on this website. It's straightforward and simple to execute, but pay attention because I'll give you a few instances from real life to show you how. If you don't follow these guidelines, you won't make any money. Scroll down to the section that says, Using Software, Write a Review. By clicking on this button, you can visit this page. There is a predetermined procedure that you must follow. You will select either software or an item to rate in the first stage. A straightforward review must be given in step 2, and it must be shared in step 3. You may consistently make $15 or even $20 with just that one simple step. Let me run through everything. Finding and choosing the item you want to rate is the first step. You can carry out many software-related duties, such as those involved in the sales, marketing, design, e-commerce, and other industries. Think about examining a piece of information technology merchandise. You can locate a range of software on this website by simply clicking this button. There are several goods and software components that you can easily rate and earn from as you scroll down below. There are a ton of alternatives on this website, and the earning potential is endless. You may complete this at any moment in less than 5 minutes. For the purpose of this video, I'll use Google Drive as an example because I believe many of you are familiar with it. Simply click on the box to select the item, and it will say you have selected one product at the bottom. You have a number of choices. After selecting Google Drive, click the blue button to continue if you wish to rate Dropbox, for instance. You can just click on this and it will indicate you have selected the 2 products. Please pay close attention because the second step is really vital. You can start rating things by clicking on this blue button which says, Write a short review on one of the products that you use. In this case, we selected Google Drive. Before we can start, you must sign in or create a free account on G2.com. After registering for a free account and rating this software, you can start making money. Please click this blue icon to get to the website where you can easily sign in or create a free account. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.